Hi, I'm John Stamps at BMC Software. This video describes how to change the CSM Super User password in BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management. Before you start changing the CSM Super User password, I have good news and I have bad news. The good news is that the steps are fairly simple. We have already covered everything you need to know in the previous two videos. The bad news is that failure is serious. It's not catastrophic, but troubleshooting the problem is a bit time-consuming. In fact, it's one of the top knowledge errors in BMC support. If you've forgotten what the CSM Super User is, you created the CSM Super User during the Platform Manager installation. This user is never publicly exposed, but it's the single sign-on service, that is SSO, that logs in behind the scenes in the Platform Manager login service. If you mess up this password, you risk serious impersonate errors, like the following. This impersonate error is very difficult to troubleshoot. In this video, we're going to update the CSM Super User password from start to finish. We'll verify that our changes haven't broken any of the integrations. Take a snapshot of your VMs. We took snapshots of the AR system and the Platform Manager hosts. Go to the documentation and review the dependencies matrix. In this video, here's what we're going to cover. We're going to quickly look at the super user password in the Cloud Services JSON. We're going to use the new BMC customer support utility to encrypt the new super user password. We're going to change the super user password in the CMF plugin configuration form. We're going to add the encrypted password to the JSON, and then we're going to restart the Platform Manager. This will also involve a few manual steps. The very first thing you should do is log into your system as a cloud administrator. You want to make sure that you don't have any problems to start out with and that your environment is clean. Go into Cloud Lifecycle Management Administration Console and verify that you do not see any authentication errors. Go to the customer support site and download the zip file onto the AR system host and extract its contents. Start the new utility, specify option 2 to generate an encrypted password. Enter the host of the AR system server, enter the server port, enter a cloud administrator name, and then enter the password. We're actually going to create two passwords, one for the Platform Manager and one for their AR system. So we're going to do AR first. Enter the password, confirm your password, and your new encrypted password appears. Copy the password and then paste it into a text editor. Press the return key to continue, generate another password. This time we're going to specify the Platform Manager component, enter the password to encrypt, confirm the password, then copy the password and paste it into a text editor. The only thing I would just say at this point is make sure that you create the same password for both the Platform Manager component and the AR system component. Now open the Platform Manager host. Navigate inside the Platform Manager configuration folder and open the Cloud Services JSON in a good text editor like Notepad++. Search for Super User Password and you'll see several hits. Look for Atrium SSO port, and there you know that you're in exactly the right spot in the JSON. The attribute value is the encrypted password. Copy the attribute value and paste it inside your text editor. Now log into your server as the demo user. We're now going to open up the CMF plugin configuration form in search mode. We're going to add a wildcard to be able to perform the search. From the results list, select the CSM Super User password. Delete the old value, go to your text editor and copy the new encrypted password and carefully paste it into the value field, and then save your changes. The next thing we do is go into the AR System server host, and we're going to restart the AR System server. Now go to the Platform Manager host, and we're going to update the Cloud Services JSON. The first thing we need to do is stop the BMC CSM service. Locate the attribute value for the super user password. We're going to delete the old password, and we're going to go into our text editor and copy the new password, and then we're going to paste it into the JSON and then save our changes. The last manual step is to clean up the Platform Manager host. Navigate down into the Platform Manager configuration directory and delete the org.eclipse.osgi folder. And then navigate up into the Platform Manager folder, go into the cache, and delete all of the files. Navigate up again to the logs folder and delete all the log files. Restart the BMC CSM service, and now you need to wait about 5 to 10 minutes for the Platform Manager to propagate all the changes that we made into the JSON. When you make changes of this level of magnitude, it's always a good idea to flush your browser cache. And now log into your server as a cloud admin. Open the Cloud Lifecycle Management Administration Console and make sure that there are no authentication errors. If I see that impersonate error like I'm showing here, it's almost always because I made a stupid mistake copying and pasting that new password. Okay, maybe changing passwords is not as hard as we thought. You just need to pay attention. Also, take snapshots of your VMs. Thank you for watching.